Hi, guy on the BC.
Do you guys get the name of him?
Ed Smart Jason.
Alright, do me a favor.
I'll be right back.
Hello, can you come here? Or did you clock?
Cash, do me a favor. Take Mr. Garcia to HQ. I'll do the paperwork over there. Go ahead and spawn a jeep.
Um, come, sir, Garcia.
I just want to know why do these people be so stupid doing that? Yeah, I don't know what's going on with these people doing that. So they did, cause they done killed him. They killed him 2 times already.
Oh,
You just saw that too?
Can you guys have that on body cam, please, and send it over to me?
Y'all be careful. He He's shooting in the sky again.
Take the. He did.
Do me a favor. Go ahead and see him if he's up in the air and send me the body cam.
Uh, अभी आएगा.
Cause I was wondering, like, where did these Bearcats come from?
You know, if you got wisdom,
Bye, Naka.